Good morning to you all. This is only a very short video. It's an update on the Skmei model 1338. As I said, I bought this for £12, which I'd have probably have done better putting the £12 in the bin. Anyhow, further to this story, it is a story, I decided to have another look at this offending watch. And it appears to be working now, which it certainly wasn't when I first picked it up and fiddled about with it. It appeared to start working. I pressed the buttons as instructed on the very scant information, and some of the buttons in fact seem to work, not all. So the story is, so far I'm able, if you can see the watch, it's actually will show the time, which as you can see it's 9:10, set to London. So the watch is in fact working, or just working. What you can't get, well, I can't get it. I can't get the calendar working, or the days. But as far as I'm concerned, as long as I can check the time in the daytime or at night when it's dark, although the lighted version when it's lit up is very poor. I suppose in a way my whole thoughts on this, it is a pretty poor example. Also, the adjusting strap, the little adjusting thing, I had a hell of a job to get that working. That should have been shown on the instructions, because let's face it, most people are going to have to change the strap setting. When I first put the watch on, it was loose, so it was obviously no good. So I had to alter the strap. But there again, what do I do about it? Oh, and another thing is, it says it shows dates virtually around the world. So if you're in New York, you press the button and you get the time in New York. That's a lie. It's not a world watch. You have to work out using, if I can find it, world time functions. There's your functions. What you have to do, you have to look. Now, considering you probably won't have the instructions then, say you press up New York, a time comes up, which is, funny enough, English time, and you have to say, where are we? Minus, is that New York? Plus, no, it's -5. You have to deduct 5 off the thing. So who's going to want to do that every time? So no, that's is stretching the truth a bit. If almost I would call a con. Well, anyhow, I've virtually said all my piece. At least I haven't wasted my £12. Would I recommend this watch? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't recommend it. Mainly on the poor instructions. They're not clear. They never have been clear, the instructions you get on these watches. What should I have done? Okay, I should have not been a tight so-and-so and gone out and got the Casio watch. I think it's an A500. If I got that number wrong, I'm sorry. But it is the same watch, but with the functions that in fact do work. Mind you, the watch costs a little bit more. I think they're about 50, 60 quid, so that gives you an idea. And presumably the case of the watch itself would be made of metal as opposed to plastic like this one. So how long the gold plating, or the stuff that looks like gold plating, lasts, we don't know. So anyhow, you're learning all the time. So that's more or less my comments on that. Thanks again for members who have expressed an opinion and thoughts of how to get it going. I can honestly say there was a fault on the watch. How it cleared, I don't know. All I did was to put it on the table. Not very happy, obviously. Looked at it yesterday, and the so-and-so seems to be working, or as I said, part working. So no, that's a lot. No, as I say, I wouldn't recommend these. I know they're £12. As I always say, you only get what you pay for it. So if you pay little money, you obviously don't get the real McCoy, or you get a rip-off. You only get what you pay. So thanks again for watching. I may try and put something else up today. Don't know. Oh, reminder that Andy's Shed hopefully will be on at 6:30 this evening. So that's more or less all I've got to say. Thanks again for watching. Thank you.